got questions about real estate? Duane's got the answers. Introducing the Real Estate Jedi Master, Duane Beisner.
This is the Real Estate Jedi Master at your service. Yes, my name is Duane Beisner of Coldwell Banker. I've prepared a special episode for you, but today, first, the appetizer. And the appetizer is my quote of the day. This one just happens to be from Oscar Wilde, who was an Irish poet and playwright. After writing in different forms throughout the 1880s, the early 1890s saw him become one of the most popular playwrights in London. He is best remembered for his epigrams and plays, plus his novel, The Picture of Dorian Gray. His quote is, "What seems to us as bitter trials are often blessings in disguise." A very wise sentiment. The subject matter for today's episode, which is number 16, is how and why to use broker open houses to market your property. If you're trying to sell your home, it's likely your real estate agent has suggested hosting a broker's open house. But what is that exactly? Well, long story short, it's an open house not for home buyers, but for the real estate agents, so they can determine whether your property is right for any of their clients. Here's how to make the most of this marketing opportunity and maybe snag a great buyer for your home. So how a broker's open house is different. The biggest difference between a broker's open house and a standard open house is who ends up on the invite list. While standard open houses are quite flexible about who can come by and might include anyone from potential buyers to curious neighbors, the guest list for a broker's open house is strictly limited to other real estate agents. And time is another differing factor for this real estate open house. Usually a standard real estate open house is held over the weekends on the afternoon, because the vast majority of potential buyers have weekends free for open house and house hunting. On the other hand, because a broker's open house caters to real estate agents whose weekend schedules are often packed with home showings for clients, it is often held midweek when agents are more likely to be available to attend. So what happens at a broker's open house? Well, at its core, this open house selling tactic is another tool that real estate agents use to help market and sell a property. In addition to internet marketing systems like the multiple listing service, it's a method of debuting your listing to real estate professionals in your community. Once your agent schedules a broker's open house, he'll advertise it to his network of real estate industry contacts. Usually, a free lunch is also offered as an incentive to show up. On the day of this real estate event, the other real estate agents will be given a chance to tour your home, enjoy the free lunch, while catching up with colleagues and offering your agent their opinions on the price and condition and price. Typically, brokers' open houses are held within the first few days of a home being put on the real estate market in order to capitalize on the initial burst of interest that often accompanies new listings. But if there is a dramatic adjustment to show how your home is being marketed, such as a significant price drop, your agent may suggest hosting another broker's open house to spread the news to potential clients. The benefits of a broker's open house for sellers? Well, if you're the type of seller who doesn't relish the idea of opening your house to crowds of looky-loos who'll tramp through your property, the garage, the outdoor yard, and all of your rooms, plus open every closet and medicine cabinet, then a professionally targeted broker's open house may be appealing. If all goes to plan, the real estate agents who tour the house will go through their mental Rolodex to see if your property would be a good fit for any of their current buyers. If so, they'll likely bring those possible buyers back for a private showing in the near future, especially if the broker's open house was well attended. And it creates a sense of urgency and a higher perceived value for the property. However, even if an offer doesn't come directly from the broker's open house, it can offer a valuable critique of how your home looks in comparison with other properties currently on the market in your area. Since real estate agents regularly have the chance to view a variety of homes, they have the ability to give your agent feedback on how your home is being perceived by other agents and homeowners, and how to better attract buyers and help it sell. And one very important point, the most sophisticated seller of homes in the country are the new home builders. And they use broker open house all the time, often with a catered meal for the agents, because they understand the value of leveraging agents, each of which may have multiple buyers that might work for their particular product. I myself always use broker open houses to market my properties to the real estate community, and it works. So your assignment, talk to several real estate agents and ask if they use broker open houses, and ask them why or why not. So if you have any questions, please call me 949-510-4750 or email me at therealestategedimaster@gmail.com. And also please comment below, like below, and subscribe below to this channel. I would very much appreciate it, and you'll receive a lot of great information. Have a great day.